Hello student, last week we start our new chapter is the thermal properties of matter. Now we continue the next point. Last we see the coefficient of linear expansion, coefficient of areal expansion and coefficient of volume expansion. Now our next point is relation between coefficient of expansions. Now relation between means beta and alpha and gamma and alpha. So we see here two relations. So we already know that alpha, beta and gamma is the coefficient of linear, areal and volume expansion respectively. So this is first we see the relation between coefficient of expansion. So our first relation between beta and alpha. Now alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion, beta is the coefficient of areal expansion. So here relation between these two expansions. So already we find out the formulas for alpha and betas. So for alpha means coefficient of linear expansion formula is alpha is equal to LT minus L0 upon L0 T minus T naught. Means you also find out LT is equal to L0 1 plus alpha T. Here using this formula and we find out the relation. So we find out now next formula for AT because we find out alpha and beta relation. Formula for beta is equal to AT minus A0 upon A0 T minus T0 and AT is equal to A0 1 plus beta T. So considering a square plate of solid L0 at 0 degrees Celsius at T degrees Celsius. So therefore LT means length, linear length at T temperature and initial length means L0. So LT is equal to L0 1 minus alpha T. This is the equation number 1. So if area of plate at 0 degrees Celsius is A0, so A0 is equal to L0 square because the area of the square, because plate is our square plate. So area of the square is L square. So here A0 is equal to L0. L naught square. Okay, so A0 is equal to L naught square. So if area of a plate at T degree Celsius is 80, means at change in temperature, so AT is equal to LT square because the area for that T degree Celsius temperature. So we get here this formula, equation 1 becomes, so AT is equal to L0 square 1 plus alpha T square, because here L0 square means A0 in A0. So we get here formula AT is equal to A0 because L0 square is A0 1 plus alpha T square. So here we write here square point LT square is equal to L0 square 1 plus alpha T square. This is the equation number 1. But A0 is equal to L0 square. So put up here L0 as a A0. So therefore AT is equal to A0 means area at 0 degrees Celsius is bracket of 1 plus alpha T square. Equation number 3. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 3. But AT is equal to A0 1 plus beta T because we already know that is the formula for coefficient of static friction, areal friction. So using equation 3 and 4 we get using equation 3 and 4 we get A0 1 plus alpha T square is equal to A0 1 plus beta T. So solving this bracket 1 plus alpha T plus alpha square T square is equal to 1 plus beta T. So here square term is neglecting, then we get 1 plus 2 alpha T is equal to 1 plus beta T. So finally we get, because value of alpha is very small, so neglecting the higher term, so we get here beta is equal to 2 alpha because because here alpha square t square is very short, so 1 plus alpha t is equal to 1 plus beta t. So we get here beta is equal to 2 alpha. So this is the relation between beta and alpha. So we get formula beta is equal to 2 alpha. Now our next relation, second point, relation between gamma and alpha. So gamma means coefficient of static friction of volume expansion, and alpha means coefficient of linear expansion. So consider a cube of side L0 at 0 degree Celsius and LR at LT at t degree Celsius. So therefore LT is equal to L0 1 plus alpha t. This is the equation number 1. So if the volume of the cube at 0 degree Celsius is V0, so V0 is equal to L0 cube, because the volume of the cube, we know that L naught cube. If the volume of the cube at t degree Celsius is Vt is equal to Lt cube, therefore L0 cube 1 plus alpha t cube, or Vt is equal to V0 1 plus alpha t cube. So therefore Vt is equal to V0 1 plus gamma t. This is the formula for coefficient of volume expansion. So using equation 2 and 3, we get V0 1 plus alpha t cube is equal to V0 1 plus gamma t plus 3 alpha t plus 3 alpha square t square plus alpha cube t cube is equal to 1 plus gamma t. Since the values of alpha is very small, the terms with higher powers of alpha are in terms of 1 plus 3 alpha t is gamma is equal to 3 alpha. This is the relation between coefficient of volume expansion and coefficient of linear expansion. So the relation between alpha, beta and gamma is alpha is equal to beta by 2 is equal to gamma by 3, because using these equations, so using this equation we can write beta is equal to 2 alpha and gamma is equal to 3 alpha. So we get alpha is equal to beta by 2 and gamma is equal to alpha is equal to gamma by 3. We have 3. Okay, this is the relation between alpha, beta and gamma.